In today's video, I will teach you how to create a professional portrait for the medical field using AI. Let's get started. Whether you need a professional medical portrait for LinkedIn, your hospital profile, or marketing materials, AI can help transform a regular photo into a polished medical portrait. To do this, open your browser, then go to ChatGPT. Then log into your account for free or sign up if you don't have one. Now click the plus icon in the prompt box, then select Create Image to switch to image generation mode. Now, to upload your photo, click the plus icon again and choose Add Photos or Files, or simply press Ctrl-U or Command-U on your keyboard. Now select the photo that you want to edit from your computer. A clear headshot with a simple background works best for professional portraits. In the prompt box, describe exactly what you want the AI to do, and make sure to be specific about the clothing, accessories, pose, and background. Here are some good prompt examples. The more precise you are, the more realistic and professional the AI results will be, so include details like lighting, accessories, and background settings. Now press enter to let the AI create your medical portrait. Then wait a few seconds for the AI to generate your image. And don't worry if the first result isn't perfect. You can refine your prompt and regenerate until it looks professional. And once you're satisfied, hover over the image and click download to save it to your computer. And you can also click share to post it directly to LinkedIn or social media. And here are some extra tips for beginners. With these steps, you can create a polished professional medical portrait in minutes, perfect for resumes, professional profiles, or promotional materials. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.